Hey, welcome back to Rebel Crusher. I'm Bob, and today we're going to be answering some questions that you've emailed us. And let's see, today we have a question from Tom in Vermont. And Tom is concerned, it looks like, that he wants to make sure that the Rebel Crusher is made in the United States. Well, Tom, it's a great question because I guess today we're so concerned that, a lot of people are branding their machine that it's assembled here and they say it's made in the United States, or possibly it's made in China, Europe, wherever, and it's brought in here. They change the paint color, they put some different decals on it, and somehow they kind of associate it with an American company. Well, I can assure you the Rebel Crusher has been engineered and designed, and it's built right here in South Carolina. It's 100% U.S. made. So we are using some components, just like everyone that's made in some other areas of the world. But in general, I would say the Rebel Crusher is made in the United States. It's our product. And it is a good thing to look at, certainly a consideration because of service and support. We do focus on making sure it's the right machine, the quality levels there. We'd like to think because it's made in the United States, it's the best. But in general, what I'd be looking for is to, you definitely want to ask anybody if that's a consideration, where exactly is the machine made? And then, make sure that they're telling you the truth, because at the end of the day, if that's a consideration, you need to verify that. So just somebody changing the paint, putting their own name on it is not made in the United States. And that comes with a lot of concerns about, like you talked about with, as far as service, the parts, and everything that comes along with having a product made right here. So great question. Hope I answered it for you. Feel free to call us. If you want to visit the factory, we can prove it. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a great one.